Today we're going to be talking about rice water hair treatments. While I loved the results of the original rice water treatment that I did, I was really excited when I found out that Shuamura was coming out with their Izumi tonic water. It has rice water and ceramide. It claims to make your hair 10 times stronger after one use. It also says that after 28 days your hair is softer, smoother, shinier, feels healthier. Applying the product to my ends where I see the most breakage. It smells amazing. I have some stuff to do around the house, and then I'll check back in with results once my hair is fully dry. Hey everyone, so checking in after a week of using the Izumi tonic water. Overall, I really like it. I feel like my hair is a lot stronger. It feels touchably more thick, which is great for people with fine hair. I also feel like it gave my hair shine, and I definitely plan on using it for the full 28 days. I'm really excited to keep using it and see how it works for me long term.